The weather, boy, we've been seeing. We are moving right into spring.
The coast just keeps getting nailed. System after system is just really active right now in the Pacific, and it's just going to stay that way. It's kind of sleepy time weather right now, I think today, because it's kind of calm, it's chilly. But tomorrow, the winds are going to be ramping up. It's going to be really wet at times, so just get used to it. It's sticking around for a little while. We're going to get a lot of action around here. So here's what's happening out there right now. It's pretty quiet, and I think for the rest of the evening, we're not going to see a whole lot more in the way of rain. We may see a stray shower here and there, but we'll definitely catch some dry time. We're in the mid-40s right now. Chilly. We're about 10 degrees below normal. Our normal high for this time of the year is 55 in Portland, so definitely feeling the chill in the air for this time of the year. You can see the showers trying to push through out along I-84 here. Meanwhile, we've cleared on out for Portland, so if you're headed out this afternoon or evening, going to do any errands, or going to take the dog out, going for that run, I think you'll be okay. You can catch some dry time down in the Portland metro, but up to the north, you can still see showers hanging in there back up towards St. Helens and Battleground, all pushing into the Cascades, where it's all just changing over into snow. And we've been getting these showers coming in and drifting in from the southwest and west, and you can see things have cleared out really nicely there. All up and down I-5, mid-40s for us, so we are feeling the chill throughout the entire valley. Back to the east, upper 40s, we're in the upper 30s for Central Oregon. We've been getting snow coming down all the way down to the passes thanks to the cooler air that's in place. For tonight, though, temperatures aren't going to take a dip like they did last night. Last night we got into the 30s in many locations. Tonight we're going to stay steady, if not see the temperatures go up by a degree or two. So mid-40s through 9 o'clock. By 11 o'clock, we're still in the mid-40s. And again, we may see a stray light rain shower here and there for the evening. Meanwhile, for the coast, you can see it looking pretty gray here. The winds are calm for now. We're at 43 degrees. As we go through the night, temperatures will start to rise a little bit. And we gear up for this next system that's going to be moving through. It's going to bring in a ton of moisture. It is going to be very, very wet for the coast tomorrow. And then the winds are going to be ramping up too. We have high wind warnings that go into effect starting at 4 p.m. tomorrow, and it goes until 4 a.m. Thursday. So the system's going to start to bring in rain for the first half of the day. The second half of that system comes through tomorrow evening, and that's going to really crank those winds up. And we're looking at hurricane force winds for many of the elevated areas along the coast, and then otherwise we're looking at gusts possibly up near 70 miles an hour, even for places like Tillamook and up near Astoria. So a very gusty one for us. So far, no wind advisories or wind warnings for the valley, but we're going to have to keep a close eye on those winds too, and that would come in tomorrow night, and we may see gusts between 35 and 40 miles an hour too, so it's going to be a blustery one for us. Here's how it pans out with the rain. We wake up tomorrow morning, we'll try to catch some dry time very early, and then the showers start to roll through from the south, and so it'll be wet at times for late morning, and then as we go through the afternoon, we'll have occasional showers here and there. Some of these showers that come down will be heavy at times. We'll try to also catch some dry time too as that front lifts to the north. And then our big hit of heavy showers is going to come later in the evening. So it'll come at least when most cars are off the road. So 10:30 at night, we have this front that's going to be passing on through. This is when we're going to get that torrential rain coming down. That is when we're going to see those really blustery winds. So that comes in tomorrow night. So you want to go ahead and bring in any loose objects and all that good stuff, anything you don't want to blow away tomorrow afternoon before that hits tomorrow evening. We wake up Thursday morning, we try to clear things out for a minute or two, and then we're right back at it with more heavy showers coming in, potential downpours for Thursday afternoon, perhaps some sun breaks though. So we may get to see a peek or two of sunshine Thursday, and then Friday we're gearing up for the next storm system to roll right on through to just keep us going into the weekend. Here's that live picture up at Mount Hood Meadows. So far, 2 inches just within the last 2 hours. We're likely going to see a few more inches as we head through this evening and overnight. And snow levels stay low tonight. They will start to creep up, though, later tomorrow. Your Wednesday forecast, mid-50s, so a little warmer than it was today. Mid-50s for the coast, wet and windy there as you head east of the Cascades. We'll have scattered showers, too, and temperatures will be a little milder for you tomorrow afternoon. Here's your 7-day forecast, and temps stay in the 50s as we head through the end of the week and into the weekend. And that 7-day does look very bleak, doesn't it? It's going to be tough to find sunshine. We'll have a chance at some peaks of it, I think, Thursday, and then going into the weekend, it just looks really wet, actually. We're going to see showers at times, and we're going to pick up more heavy rain. We're already in a surplus right now, so we'll keep that going for March. And don't forget, you can download the PDX weather app. I love to use this whenever the weather is like it is right now, because sometimes it's just tough to find that dry time. But if you go and download the app, you have access to the radar, and you can kind of pick your times to get outside.
15 minutes?
Yeah, like, okay, I have a window. And so you can get out there and maybe get your dog out, or maybe get the kids out for a little bit.
Yeah, because sometimes that 15 minutes is all you need.
Yeah, but that's how we're going to have to do it for a while.
For a while.
So active, right?